In the not-distant future, molecular 3D printing turns everyday materials into customized objects at the push of a button. Imagine a kitchen where plastics and metals rearrange themselves into utensils, cookware, and repair parts on demand, reducing waste. This technology hinges on programmable matter guided by AI, translating desires into precise molecular rearrangements. For cities, it means agile home factories and neighborhoods that reinvent themselves as needs evolve from shelters to schools. As designers and engineers unlock sustainable materials and speed, daily life becomes a collaboration with matter itself, reshaping society.